Good evening. So we return, part B of the Give It Some Thought section from chapter 1, dealing with matter and measurement. So the question that we're phrased, what submicroscopic particles are the building blocks of matter? This is again taken from the Brown and all text. Adjust my spacing there a little bit. So you could very simply answer this with one word. That would be atoms. Defined here. The textbook quote, atoms are the almost infinitesimally small building blocks of matter. Interesting that they do say almost infinitesimally. There has been work, and there continues to be work at further studying what makes up atoms. Some interesting chemistry, physics, engineering work there at studying what was at one time thought to be the smallest component of matter. Turns out there's more to the atom than just the atom. I think you could have answered this also with the word elements. Elements are defined as substances that comprise the tremendous varieties of matter in our world. I think atoms is the slightly more correct answer in this case, because elements can be made of a single atom or two atoms bonded together, a molecule. For instance, lithium exists as single atoms, is our definition of the element lithium, whereas hydrogen exists, the word is diatomically, two atoms of hydrogen bonded together to form a molecule of hydrogen. That's how we describe elemental hydrogen, the element H2. But we see it represented simply as H on the periodic table. But how we find it in nature is H2. And that wraps up the Give It Some Thought Part B.